Hey guys, Michael Chrysler here, First Choice Power Washing in Lexington, Kentucky. You see we're out here doing a big apartment complex, and I thought I'd have this little tip. Take these Kroger bags and these fire stations, some of these lights and pools, they have to be protected, but this is a quick and easy way to take these garbage bags and we toss them over and we flip them around here. And that is sufficient because we use low pressure. That's sufficient enough to keep the water out there and keep from setting off the fire alarm or damaging the fire sensors. Hope that helps when next time you're doing a big job, big project. It's a lot easier than just trying to cut a piece of plastic and putting tape around it and everything like that. We just toss these little Kroger bags, and you might already have some, you might collect them at home or whatever, but you can actually go to Kroger's or Walmart and tell them you need some bags, and sometimes they'll sell them to you and sometimes they'll just give them to you. Hope that helps.